Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Ecobee account to adjust thermostat schedules, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the Ecobee website URL in the address bar. Press enter to load the site. Once the site loads, locate the login button, usually found in the upper right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. After entering your credentials, click on the Login button. If you've forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password link for assistance. After successfully logging in, you will be taken to your account dashboard. On the dashboard, locate the Thermostat section. Click on your thermostat that you wish to adjust. You will now see an option for Schedules or Schedule Settings. Click on the Schedules option to view your current settings. To edit an existing schedule, select the schedule you wish to change. Make your adjustments to the start and end times, as well as the temperature settings. If you want to create a new schedule, look for the Add Schedule button. Follow the prompts to set up the new schedule. Review your thermostat settings to ensure everything is correct. Now you can exit your account by clicking on your profile icon. Select the Logout option to securely end your session. Close your browser window to finish. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.